Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Stan Store in 2026. So, first of all, you'll have to head up to stan.store in any browser that you have. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here. All you need to do is just go and click on sign up at the top right corner. There, where you'll be able to sign up for an account for the first time. If you by any chance have your accounts ready, just go and click on login or skip this option. So for us, we will have to set up a username for our store, and then you'll have to enter a full, or as example, your full name. Then you'll have to enter your email, then it will be the number, and then finally the password. And now if you have an account, just go and click on login as example, and make sure to log in into your account. So let me just go here and enter my email, and then it's gonna be my password. So just do that and click on login. So once you logged in as an example, you will find yourself right here. But first, let's talk about what is Stan Store. So Stan Store basically will let you sell your digital products and will let you offer services and coaching, accept payments, and put everything behind one link. And of course, it's best for creators on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or freelancers selling templates or guides, or maybe some coaches selling codes or courses. So if you want fully customization or complex stores, this is not Shopify, it's meant to be simple. So now, once you're logged in, you'll have an example guide right here to set up as example Stan, add scrolling shop products, how to sell on social media, a lot of things that you can or can help you get started. You can click on join now and you can follow that if you want to. It will take you some time, but you will just, or it will just familiarize yourself with the Stan Store. So for us, we'll just get into how to start selling your digital products right away. So once you're here, you can go as an example on the left panel and you can go and click on my store. Here, you'll find as an example your store. So for me, as you can see, I already have a products right here that I added way before, and I can go here and find any landing pages if I have any. And from here, I'll be able to edit the design of my store. I can choose from different designs that I have right here. Of course, you can even change the colors if you like a specific designs, but you didn't like the color. You can also change the fonts if you want to from the fonts that they offer here. So that's just by the side. So actually, if you want to add products or digital products, you'll be able to add products from here. As I said, on the left panel, click on store, then click on add products. You'll be able to add sections for specific products. So maybe you're selling a lot of digital products. Some of them may be a picture. Some of them may be hand, like a drawing. Others just PC editors or something like that. I don't know. You can go and create your own sections however you want. You can edit the section. Basically, you'll have to edit the name, and you can delete it if you click on the three dots at the right of this option. So for me, I'm just going to add simple products without adding any sections. So click on add products, and here you'll have to choose the type of the product. Is it a coaching call, e-course, collects emails, digital products, a lot of stuff you have here. For me, I'm going to choose digital products because this video is about digital products. So here you can choose a pick style. You have a button. So on the right, you'll see basically the overview or the preview, and you'll find the callouts as example, or you'll find the preview. You can select an image of your digital products. For me, I'm just going to upload an image as example from my PC. Let me just go and upload here random logo that I have. Of course, you can zoom in, zoom out, however you want, use this photo. And this should be the thumbnail of this digital product. Here, you'll be able to add the title of this product. So for me, as example, I'm just going to add like Omics logo. So you can add some subtitles as example. Basically, it will be the description of the product, so you can enter whatever you want right here. So as you can see on the preview here on the right, you'll see it's what's right here. So right there, you will be able to go and choose the button. What text should be on the button? So get my guide or gets this products. It's basically what I will do right here. So now you can save this as a draft if you want to come and change this later, or you can go and click on next to go next right away. Now you'll have to choose the image of this specific product because as I said before, it was just the logo. Now, for me, I'm just going to choose, or I'm going to upload something other than that on my computer. So I'm going to choose another logo, same style kinda. So I'm just going to make it a little bit like that, and I'm going to click on use this photo. Here, you will be able, as an example, to change the description if you want to. So you can generate one with AI if you want to. You can change the bottom title as well, as you can see, which is going to be right here. So call to action button, instead of purchase, you can choose, as an example, buy or whatever you want. So here you'll be able to set the price, whatever price you want. You can choose whatever price you would like to. And here you can choose discount price if you're planning to add any discounts in the future. Maybe, as an example, 15 if it's in discount. Some other options that you'll be able to edit here, but you'll have to basically upgrade if you want to get that. So, oh, this like it didn't save. So I'm just going to do this all over again and come back. So here we are. Now, as you can see at the bottom, you'll find some collects info. Basically here, the info, basic info fields cannot be edited. So as you can see, which is the name and email, you'll be able to add other fields like the phone, some text, maybe some questions that you want to add, some drop-down checkbox. It's totally up to you to add whatever you want. And here you'll be able to upload your digital products that you're going to sell, whether it can be redirected to a URL or you can upload the file right away here. Maybe as an example, it's a video that I'm selling or something. I'm just going to upload this video. So once I finish, I'm just going to click on publish, and here we are. We have an example, digital products is published. So if you find the draft on the right here, that means it's still draft and it's still not published yet. You'll be able to click on that as an example and finish anything and then click on publish after. So let me just go back here to my store. As you can see, so this is the one that I thought it was not saved, but it was saved. So now you can, as an example, click on your store at the top right here. And once you click on it, a new page will open. And it should show you your store if you already published your store. So, and of course, you'll have to keep in mind, in order to like publish the store, you will basically have, you can have, of course, the free trial. And after it's finished, you'll have to basically subscribe. And let's just see, as you can see, the subscription is 30 bucks or 300 per year if you want to, or 30 bucks a month if you want to. So it's totally up to you. And yeah, that should be basically it for me in this video. So thank you for watching. And that's basically how you sell digital products. Thank you again for watching, and goodbye.